Hello, my name is Lizzie from BYD Stoke and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Atto 360.48 kWh design. This vehicle is an electric with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in climbing grey. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with the two-tone finish really complementing against the climbing grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As this vehicle is an electric car, it comes supplied with your 3-pin plug charging cable along with your ball box charging cable. As this car is an electric car, it has a range of up to 260 miles. On a standard charge, on a 7kW charger, it can take up to 6.5 hours to charge, and on a rapid charge, it can take up to 35 minutes. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black vegan leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that 5th passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 1,868 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, which also rotates between portrait and horizontal, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is supported via a USB and allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. As well as this, you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you are able to adjust temperature, airflow and airflow direction all throughout your infotainment system, and as well as this, you also have both heated and ventilated front seats, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. This has been a presentation on the BYD Atto 360.48 kWh design. Is now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.